Good afternoon, everyone. This is Christian with PerfectStockAlert.com, a 100% free service for smart investors and traders. All we ask in return, please refer a friend, or I'll hit you in the face with a brick. What? I can't say that? Today is Thursday. It's December the 8th, 2011, and we're going to be looking at ticker symbol IPG today in the public group. There's your ticker symbol. Okay, what we have here is a high point here, a lower high here, and a low point here, lower low here. Looks like we're starting to move to the downside here. A lot's got to depend on what kind of news we get out of Europe on Friday as to whether or not we can see a big move to the downside here or not. So it's still a lot of news is going to be moving this market. Today was a nice move to the downside on the market that needed it after a few weeks to the upside. So it looks right to me for rolling over here, but again, that news could throw a wrench into it. Okay, just keep that in mind. What we're looking at going short 926 or higher. A stop is at 1001. Previous highs at 10, so the stop is 1001. Target exit point will be moving down to the support line at 821. That's your support, and you could break through that, but that's the first line if you're looking for a target there. Williams percent R is above the negative 20 line back here when you get the peak, confirming that you are getting overextended and you're not pulling back down here. Another method for exiting would be simply waiting for the Williams percent R to pull back down below the negative 80 line down here. At that point you could see a bounce, but they don't have to turn around immediately at that point. So once you get down that point, you could just advance your stop, and if you continue to run lower, that's great. You continue to advance your stop, but you might get stopped out there, so don't just leave all that money on the table. On Friday, once the news is out, I may take another position in my own portfolio. For those of you who want to know whenever I enter or exit my trades, you can follow me on Facebook, Twitter, or Google+. Links are below this video. And be sure to give us a thumbs up if you agree with today's analysis. God bless, take care, and I will see you all mañana. Please take a moment to review our disclaimer. The information provided herein is our opinion only. Under no circumstances do any statements here represent a recommendation to buy or sell securities or make any kind of an investment. You are responsible for your own due diligence. To summarize, we do not provide investment advice, nor do we make any claims or promises that any information here will lead to a profit, loss, or any other result. These videos are for educational purposes only.